As a massive fan of the Harry Potter series and The Princess Bride, I was introduced to the Cliffs of Moher at a fairly young age. However, it wasn't until my love of travel began to grow that I realized just how beautiful these cliffs are. Located along the Atlantic Ocean, the Cliffs of Moher provide an extremely popular hiking and sightseeing destination, bringing, on average, 1.6 million tourists each year. This spectacle has graced the world with its existence for thousands of years, but now, as ocean circulation drives acidification of Atlantic Ocean deep waters, changes are becoming increasingly visible. These cliffs, as home to the largest populations of puffins throughout Europe, peregrine falcons, razorbills, and other seabirds, the rapid acidification of the water at the Cliffs of Moher threatens these populations, along with other marine life, mammals, and fauna. In the past, the North Atlantic Ocean was able to slow acidification through the use of ocean circulation and was generally less acidic. Over time, as ocean acidification continues to increase at the bottom of the ocean circulation carries these acidifying chemicals up to the surface, destroying what was previously a safe environment for many species of wildlife. At the current moment, the Marine Institute in Ireland is taking time to study potential consequences of acidification along the coast of Ireland. According to the Marine Institute, increase in ocean acidification may, quote, affect ocean chemistry to the point where the element aragonite would no longer be biologically available in the surface Southern Ocean by the year 2050 and have a negative effect upon important fish nursery grounds, end quote. According to Bord Aisceig Mochara, Ireland's seafood development agency, the fishing industry had a GDP at €100.25 billion, with one of the largest fishing ports located in Castletownbere, which sits along the southwestern coast, similar to the Cliffs of Moher. In the entire southern region of Ireland, 16% of the population is employed by the seafood industry, with 6% of that coming from the direct south, home of the Cliffs of Moher. The tourism industry will also be desecrated, as degradation of the Cliffs of Moher and surrounding ocean waters will decrease tourism to Ireland, which brings in €9.3 billion from millions of spending tourists each year. Community members will lose jobs, businesses will close, and nature will take the greatest hit of all as the beauty is destroyed. To save this beauty, we, as individuals, can try to lower our carbon dioxide emissions and limit our nutrient pollution at home, but we also have to pressure multi-million-dollar industries into changing their practices to lower their carbon dioxide emissions.